Hello pool players, I want to share with you today what I call leapfrogging. Leapfrogging is a mindset and it will help increase your run out percentage. So leapfrogging starts out right away when we look at our first 3 shots. So here I'm looking at my 1 ball and how I can get on the 2 ball down table. It's important that I have a nice angle on the 2 ball because now the 3 ball is back up table near the 1. Once I shoot the 1 ball, leapfrogging will begin. And here I've got a nice bump on the 2 and I just get enough roll to where I have a nice follow shot to get on the 3. So now that the 1 ball is gone and we're on the 2 and the 3, we need to leapfrog now to the 4. Remember, we want to always stay 3 balls ahead. And what I'm looking for is the angle on the 3 to easily get to the 4. So in this case, I'm looking to flow towards the 3 ball to kind of get straight in if I can, or a slight angle to either side. And here I've gone with inside follow and I've got a nice close-up shot with a good angle of almost straight in, so there's easy position to the 4. And now that the 2 ball is gone and we're on the 3 and the 4, we also have to leapfrog to the 5. And what we should be looking for is the angle on the 4 that easily flows us to the 5 ball. Additionally, with this slight angle that I have on the 3, I also notice that I can bump the 5 towards the corner pocket, which will make position play easier on the 4 ball to the 5 ball. So here I'll be using inside spin to roll off the 5 ball and keep the cue ball on a straighter line to the 4. By now you should understand the trend is to stay 3 balls ahead, so now once again we need to leapfrog by adding in the 7 ball, because the 6 ball was pocketed on the break. And once again, we're looking for the correct shot angle to get to the 7 once we pocket the 4 and land on the 5. So we need a shot angle off the 5 that easily gets us on the 7. And here I've used inside spin to avoid the 9 and flow back towards the 5, and I have the perfect angle. Now I have stopped action here so that we can look at what kind of an angle I need from the 7 to the 8, because once again we're leapfrogging now to the 8. And it's a very important shot because if we can get the right angle on the 7 to get to the 8, we're easily going to run out. So the angle I'm looking for is this one right here. So let's see if I can pull it off. By executing an inside follow 2 cushion shot, I'm now on the correct side of the line for the 7 to get to the 8. To avoid the side pocket scratch, I'm stroking with left spin follow. And now I have the perfect angle on the 8 to get to the 9 cross table. And now I have a nice straight in shot on the 9 ball. And just to reiterate from my videos in the past, make sure you shoot these shots with authority. Okay everyone, make sure that you don't take what I've just shared with you lightly. It's going to be very beneficial to you running out more often. Please leave some questions and comments if you have any. I answer every one. And please don't forget to share this video. I need your help. We're trying to grow this channel, and I know you guys are a big part of that. And if you want to watch another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.